In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this simple but cool color change effect in DaVinci Resolve. The first step of this effect is to copy your clip. Open it in Color page. Click on this qualifier tool and drag over the car's paint. Press Shift+H to toggle on selection view. Adjust these sliders until the paint is selected well. Then use Denoise to clean the selection. Bring up Hue and see if the selection is good. If it lacks on the edges, turn up shadows, midtones, and highlights. Now you should have a perfect color-changing look. You can go through the video and see if it holds together the whole time. After that, open Keyframes. Click the diamond next to Corrector 1 or the node you are making these changes to and click on the drop-down arrow. Move to the point where you want the color to be fully changed and slightly adjust one of the sliders to create all the necessary keyframes. Move to the beginning and bring saturation range closer together so the paint is back to original. You can also use the luminance slider if you want. Now you should have this spreading effect. I'll move these keyframes a bit further. If you want, you can also keyframe the hue to make an even cooler effect. But that's basically it.